Welcome to my presentation. Today is 12 April 2025. I'm going to describe in details of picture. Smoke rises from burning waste at the Amin Bazar landfill, spreading pollution through the air, soil and water and adding to the woes of nearby communities already suffering from malodor. A Palestinian man weeps while holding an injured child at the site of an Israeli strike on house in Shajia, Gaza City. The photo was taken on Thursday. Very nice and wonderful picture. Jayant Kaur, a fisherman, carries net over his shoulder as he walks through the twilight glow while the sun sets. After a hard day's work, he returns to his family, who rely on his fishing for their sustenance. However, due to various reasons, local fish are not as plentiful as they once were, leaving people like Jayanto and his family struggling. The photo was taken in the Fensugans Upazila of Sylhet recently. A heap of waste burns openly on a street in Lalmatia, degrading its impact on both passers-by and the environment. Environment advisor Sayyidah Rezwana Hassan had earlier warned that without effective waste management, protecting Dhaka's residents from air pollution would be difficult. This scene is a perfect demonstration of the poor state of waste management in the capital, where trash is regularly set on fire without concern for the consequences. Photo was taken yesterday. Mango farmers spray pesticides on their mango trees. This year, orchards throughout the Rajshahi district saw an abundance of mango blossoms. However, in just 15 days, most of these birds fell off, causing these farmers to lose hope. As at last ditch effort, they are using insecticides, hoping to salvage this year's yields. Photos taken from the Mormuria village in Poba Upazila recently. Potters Patuakhali gear up for Boishak. Artisans are busy weaving Shitol Party, a traditional mat in Katalia village of Borishal's Bakerganj Upazila. These mats are crafted by interlacing stripes of a green cane from known as murta. Depending on size and quality, each mat sells at wholesale prices between Taka 1500 and Taka 3500. Photo was taken yesterday. Afghan refugees carrying their belongings await a holding center near the Pakistan-Afghan border in Chaman, Pakistan yesterday, preparing to return to Afghanistan. Members of Darsga Jihad O Shadat hold poster. They participate in protesting following their Friday prayers in Hyderabad, India yesterday against the Waqf amendment bill passed by the Indian Parliament. Black Waqf law rollback. Burning emergency vehicles are seen the site of hospital hit by overnight Russian airstrike in the town of Kupiansk in Kharkiv region, Ukraine yesterday. U.S. envoy Steve Witkoff was in Russia yesterday The Kremlin said his third visit to country as Washington pushes for a ceasefire in Ukraine. The wreckage of helicopter is removed from the water after crashing into the Hudson River in Newport neighborhood of Jersey City, New Jersey, US. On Thursday evening, 6 people, including 3 children, were killed after the tourist helicopter plummeted upside down into the river, authorized said. Bangladesh cricketer Mehdi Hasan Miraz was presented the Sportsman of the Year and the Cricketer of the Year awards at the Cool BSPA Sports Award 2024 held at City Hotel in Dhaka on Friday. Pace sensation Nahid Rana was named Emerging Sports Person of the Year, while women's footballer Ritu Purna Chakma received the Popular Choice Award through fans' online voting. Mohamed Salah ended months of speculation over his future by signing a new 2-year contract with Premier League leaders Liverpool yesterday. His previous deal, understood to be worth more than 335 lakh a week, was scheduled to run out in the summer, and there had been doubts he would stay with Reds, who rejected $150 million offer from Saudi Pro League side Al Ittihad for the 32-year-old in 2023. The Egyptian, who has scored 243 goals and 109 assists and 394 appearances for the Reds since joining from Roma in 2017, will now have the chance to add to his stellar numbers. He has netted 32 goals and 22 assists in all competitions this season. 27 goals and 17 assists have come the Premier League as Liverpool close in on record, equaling 20 top flight title. Samit Som says yes to Bangladesh. Polishing of the Pathachitra, a former student of Dhaka University's Faculty of Fine Arts, applies the final touches to an expansive cloth-based scroll painting traditionally known as Pathachitra. The 20-foot-long canvases are adorned with motifs reflecting Bangladesh's rural life, mythology, and folklore. 5 such vibrant artworks will be carried overhead as part of the grand procession celebrating the Bangla New Year on Monday. The photo was taken yesterday. The watermelon harvest is in full swing in the Dakup Upazila of Khulna. These watermelons, known for their sweetness and rich flavor, are highly sought after across the country. Farmers invest around 35,000 taka to 40,000 and 3 months of hard labor into cultivating each biga of watermelon. This season, wholesales are spending between taka 70,000 and 1 lakh to acquire a biga of farmland, which typically yields 600 to 700 watermelons. The photo was taken in the Bajua Khajurtola area yesterday.